And yes, that is the fuel price currently in Queensland, $2.33 for 91, so it's about $2.53 for 98, so a complete and utter rip-off. It's crooks, that's all they are. The government is just crooks. About 48 cents per litre for taxes on fuel currently. Just goes to line the fucking pockets of the politicians of this country. Beautiful, look at that over there, eh? Let's do it. To the speed limit, of course. Welcome back to the YouTube channel, and for those that are new here, my name is Matt. Doing a bit of a point of view drive cruise. I needed to go and look at some new wheels for old Beastie. I'm thinking it's time for a bit of change. Change it up a bit from the old factory wheels that come from HSV. So where you are at the moment, you're cruising sort of southwestish along the Gateway motorway that's in East Brisbane, towards the Logan sort of area, Logan Bogans. If you know what, if you ever heard of Logan Bogans before, you'll know exactly what we mean by that. And then further past there is towards the Gold Coast. So the Pacific motorway is coming up here in the next sort of 5 minutes. So back that way is Sunshine Coast Way, and obviously, yeah, as I just mentioned, towards that way is Gold Coast Way, and Brisbane is off more so that way, a little bit that way, but more so the actual CBD is that way in camera. So yeah, thinking it's a bit of a change up from old Beastie, get some new rims and tyres. I'm going to do away with the tyre lettering. It's a bit hard to keep them clean all the time and keep them looking smick, so I'm not going to be putting tyre lettering on them anymore. Change the wheels up. I'm looking at sort of a chrome-ish type wheel, but I see what they got to offer there. Unfortunately, the weather's coming in this afternoon. We're supposed to be getting reports of about 100 millimeters of rain. Yes, we use the metric system in Australia if you're watching this from overseas. So yeah, about 100 mils of rain from this afternoon. I mean, it's looking sort of good at the moment, but if you're local to the Queensland area, you'll know that that'll change pretty quickly, especially in the afternoon. So yeah, reports are from mid-afternoon, evening, we're supposed to all come in, and then 100 mils overnight. There was supposed to be a Joe's Diner car meet tomorrow, but he's cancelled again due to the weather. So that's been moved to the 28th of April, I think it is, next Sunday. So yeah, let's see what this wheel and tyre company has. See what they got to offer, see what tickles me fancy. I don't think they'll like me filming in that shop, but we'll see how we go. So where I'm going to is a place called Stylish Wheels. That's in Slacks Creek in Logan. I'm told it's a pretty good shop to check out for tyres and rims. I've actually been in there before, but I haven't been in there for a while. I actually bought some new rims for an older Commodore in there, and they were quite good. I mean, I don't have that Commodore anymore because I've got this one. So yeah, it's just up here on the left in Slacks Creek. So hopefully next Saturday I should be able to do another car review. I've got that booked in. Hopefully the weather holds out so we can get that sorted. Haven't done one of those for a while. Actually used to live around this area about 10 years ago, so I know the area quite well. Yeah, I actually lived here 10 years ago, for 10 years, before I moved to my current location. With all the Commodores in the car yards, might check a couple out. But yeah, stylish wheels just up here on the left. And yes, that is the fuel price currently in Queensland, $2.33 for 91, so it's about $2.53 for 98, so a complete and utter rip-off. It's crooks, that's all they are. The government is just crooks. About 48 cents per litre for taxes on fuel currently. Just goes to line the fucking pockets of the politicians of this country. Anyway, is what it is at the moment. So I do remember this area. All the lanes end and they cut and they stop quite short. Must have been on drugs or something. Gotta love that supercharger whine first thing in the morning. Wakes you up, makes you feel refreshed and energetic for the rest of the day. So that was it, guys. Heading back home now. So tell me what you think in the comments below of those photos and a couple of short vids of the rims I saw in that place. And yes, I know it's my money and I'll pay and I'll decide what I want to do. Just let me know in the comments what you think would look pretty good. Probably would have been better have them sitting next to the car, but the guy was fairly busy in there, so I wasn't going to interrupt him too much. My name is Matt and you've been watching Curtis LSA YouTube channel.